Hello, Dr. Chris. I live in southeast Louisiana in Zone 9. I planted a passion fruit vine almost 3 years ago from seed. This year is the first year it produced flowers, but still no fruit. What am I doing wrong? I regularly fertilize once a month. Do I need to plant 2 different plants together to help pollinate each other? Please help. Mr. James from New Orleans, Louisiana. All right, so a couple of things here for me about the passion fruit vine. I know a little bit about that, right? Depends on the variety. There are some varieties that are self-fertile.
Exactly.
Okay? So if you don't have that, then you have the ones that are not self-fertile, which will need help with pollination.
Right.
Right. So poor pollination or lack of pollinators would be the issue.
That's probably the issue here. When you've got the pretty flowers like that
Pretty
and
flowers.
no fruit, then that tells you.
That tells you everything you need to know. And I'll tell you something else too that he did mention that I would say don't do. Regularly fertilize once a month. It's going to be too much.
You're probably pushing it a little bit too much.
That's going to be pushing too much. And yeah, we don't know what he's fertilizing with, but if it has any nitrogen in it, that's going to be a bit much.
That could be a problem too.
That's going to be a problem.
But I think you got it on the first one. I pulled up a publication from Florida about passion fruit, and it says.
Did it back me up?
I'm going to back you up.
Good.
Yeah, I'm going to back you up. Pollination is essential for fruit production. There are some of the varieties that are self-fruitful.
Right.
But purple passion fruit flowers are self-fruitful. So if you pull that up, you notice that is not purple.
Right.
While many purple-yellow hybrids, they may not be, probably aren't. And then the yellow ones are definitely not. That had some yellow in it, and they do require pollen from a compatible vine that is genetically different.
Good.
So don't get another one just like that.
Right.
You need to get one that's different.
For cross-pollination? Yeah, get you some pollinators. Yeah, plant you some plants that the bees like, and maybe the bees can come by and do that. If not, you have to do it yourself.
Yeah, even carpenter bees. This says will do the trick. But hand pollination with a clean cotton glove or a paintbrush. Yeah. Labor intensive.
Yeah, from the anther to the stigma. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.